Type 1 two-way classification. Reframe the table by applying principle of experimental design. So problem 1. 3 varieties A.B.C. of a crop are tested in a randomized block design with 4 replications. So analyze the result. So let us reframe the data. So treatments, there are 3 treatments A.B.C., right? And yield, that is the number of blocks. There are 4. First A, choose A, 6, 8, then 4, then 6. Then B, 9, 6, 7, 6. Then C, A 5, second C is 8, and third C 9, and fourth one 10. So all are equal, C1, C2, C3 columns, right? Total number of items n is equal to 12, number of blocks 4, number of rows are 3. First define hypothesis, null hypothesis, there is no significant difference between yields, that is between column. So similarly, second classification, right? There is no significant difference between varieties, that is in the rows. Alternate hypothesis, there is a significant difference between yields and there is a significant difference between varieties or treatments, right? So first calculation for ANOVA. So first write the treatments, yield, number of blocks, then given data, right? Now row total. So first row total 24, second row total 28, same like before, right? So just add the numbers in that particular row. So you will get the row total. That's a grand total is add all the row totals, sum of the Ri, right? Similarly, you do the column total, 6 plus 9 plus 5, right? Column wise total. First column, second column 15 total, third column total 24, fourth column also 24. So grand total should be same, G is equal to 84. Next Ri square by Ca, right? R1 square by C1, 4. So 24 square by 4, 144. 28 square by 4, 19. 32 square by 4, 256. Similarly column. So it's take the summation sigma, so right, Ri square by Ci, that is equal to 596. Similarly for the column, C1 square by R1, that is 21 square by 3, that is 147, and 15 square by 3, right? Here R1, there C1, right? Note that. So 15 square by 3, 75, 24 square by 3, 192, and 24 square by 3, 192. So summation of Cj square by Rj, that is equal to 606. Next sum of square. Square each numbers in the row and add up. So a 6 square plus 8 square plus 4 square plus 6 square, 152. Next row, 9 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 6 square, 1202. Then third row, 5 square, 8 square, 9 square plus 10 square, 270. Similarly, column sum of square, right? 6 square, 9 square plus 5 square, 142. 8 square, 6 square plus 8 square, second column, right? 164. Third column, 4 square plus 7 square plus 9 square, 146. Then last fourth column, 6 square plus 6 square plus 10 square, 172. Then sum of squares. So sum of xi square, that is equal to 624. Next you have to find the correction factor g square by n, that is 84 square by 12, that is equal to 588. Next you have to calculate total sum of square, right? That is equal to 36. Data are given, right, in the table already there. Double summation xij square minus correction factor g square by n, right? Row sum of square RSS, summation Ri square by Ci minus correction factor, 596 minus 588, that is equal to 8, right? Then column sum of square. So blocks CSS summation Cj square by Rj minus CF 606 minus 588, that is equal to 18. Then error sum of square or residual sum of square TSS minus CSS plus RSS. So 36 minus 18 plus 8, that is equal to 10. Next, prepare the ANOVA table, source of variation. So between column, so column sum of square, then between rows, row sum of square, then between error or residue, error sum of square. CSS 18, RSS 8, CSS 10. Degrees of freedom, first C minus 1, V1 equal to 4 minus 1, 3. RSS is R minus 1, right? So 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. Then ESS is R minus 1 into C minus 1, 3 into 2, 6. Next, mean sum of square column, that is equal to 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. Then mean sum of square row, that is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Then error sum of square, that is equal to 10 by 6, that is equal to 1.667. Now consider MCSS, that is 6, MESS 1.667. So MCSS is greater than MESS. Therefore, first ratio for with respect to column FC. So first numerator, you have to write the numerator MCSS by MESS, right? F's ratio, that is equal to 3.6. 6 by 1.667, that is equal to 3.6. Next, come to row sum of square, mean row sum of square, that is equal to 4. MESS is 1.667. So MRSS is greater than MESS. Next, FR, calculated value of row sum of square. MRSS by MESS 4 by 1.667, that is equal to 2.4. Right. Next, conclusion. So for yields, degrees of freedom V1 comma V3, that is 3 comma 6. Then tabulated value of F 3 comma 6 degrees of freedom at 5% level is 4.76. So calculated value for column is 3.6, right, in the table, and tabulated value is FT 4.76. So FC is less than FT. Calculated value is less than tabulated value, therefore H0 1 is accepted, right. Next, we are going to varieties. Degrees of freedom V2, V3, 2 comma 6, and tabulated value is at 5% level. FT is equal to 5.14 from the table. Compare the calculated value of row and tabulated value. So FR and FT. So FR is less than FT, right? So H0 is for second one is accepted. Thanks.